Frases útiles en los restaurantes.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Do you have a vegetarian option?
Do you have a vegetarian option?
I'd like to order, please.
I'd like to order, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can I get the bill, please?
Can I get the bill, please?
Is service included?
Is service included?
Can I have a glass of water?
Can I have a glass of water?
I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Can I get this to go?
Can I get this to go?
What's the special today?
What's the special today?
I'm ready to order.
I'm ready to order.
Can I have a menu, please?
Can I have a menu, please?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Do you have a kids menu?
Do you have a kids menu?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
I would like the steak medium rare.
I would like the steak medium rare.
Can I get a dessert menu?
Can I get a dessert menu?
Could I have some more bread?
Could I have some more bread?
Is there a gluten-free option?
Is there a gluten-free option?
Can I have the same as that?
Can I have the same as that?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I get a doggy bag?
Can I get a doggy bag?
What's the soup of the day?
What's the soup of the day?
I'm vegetarian.
I'm vegetarian.
Can I have a glass of red wine?
Can I have a glass of red wine?
Is the meal spicy?
Is the meal spicy?
I'm ready for dessert.
I'm ready for dessert.
Can I get the check, please?
Can I get the check, please?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Can I have a table for two?
Can I have a table for two?
Is there a dress code?
Is there a dress code?
What time do you close?
What time do you close?
Can I get a non-smoking table?
Can I get a non-smoking table?
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
This isn't what I ordered.
This isn't what I ordered.
Can you recommend a good wine?
Can you recommend a good wine?
Do you have any vegan options?
Do you have any vegan options?
I'll have the same, please.
I'll have the same, please.
Can I get some extra napkins?
Can I get some extra napkins?
Do you have a restroom?
Do you have a restroom?
Is this dish suitable for children?
Is this dish suitable for children?
Can I get this without onions?
Can I get this without onions?
Could we get some more time, please?
Could we get some more time, please?
Do you have a lunch special?
Do you have a lunch special?
Can I have a decaf coffee?
Can I have a decaf coffee?
What's the portion size?
What's the portion size?
Is there a waiting list?
Is there a waiting list?
Could I get a high chair for my child?
Could I get a high chair for my child?
Do you have any desserts today?
Do you have any desserts today?
Thank you, everything was delicious.
Thank you, everything was delicious. Thanks,